Hey, Aaron here, and if you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out the Teachable affiliate program, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good program to promote? How much money can you really make? Let's check it all out today, all right? Now, Teachable, if you don't know, is a very well-known membership platform. So basically, if you're a creator, you're an expert, you're a consultant, you're an entrepreneur, you want to sell some sort of product online, you want to create a digital training program, then Teachable is a really cool website where you can do that, all right? Now, the cool thing is that as a marketer, you can actually refer Teachable as through their affiliate program, what they call a partner program, right? And you can make money from it, okay? So you just head over to teachable.com/partners, right? And we're going to cover this today, okay? So the first thing is, of course, how much money can you make? And that's really important if you want to make money using affiliate programs. 30% commission is pretty generous, honestly. I mean, yes, they could offer more, 40, 50, 60, 70, but 30% is not bad. And the thing that I like about Teachable is that it's a recurring program, right? And because of the nature of the program, right? Basically, when somebody comes to use their product, they're going to be putting their program, their training course on here. So generally, they'll be on, Teachable for quite a long time, 6 to 12 months, if not a few years. And if you do a good job and you're bringing in a lot of people, then you've got that recurring commission coming in every month. We'll talk about how much you can make there, okay? Now, they've got something called a 30-day cookie window. This is very standard for affiliate programs. That means if somebody clicks on your affiliate link, then they can come back to teachable.com and, as long as they purchase within the 30-day window, you will still get credit for that sale. Now, outside of the 30 days, if they don't re-click on your affiliate link, then you may not get credit for it. But again, you can always send them an email. They can click on your affiliate link again, and then that 30-day cookie window will start up again, if that makes sense. So 30 days is pretty normal, okay? Now, they pay out through bank transfer, PayPal, and Stripe, which is really flexible, okay? And let's talk about some of the price points, right? So as a Teachable customer, most people will usually go with the monthly plan, all right? And a lot of them will take up the Grow package. So that's $189 per month. If you're making 30% on that, you're making about $56 in commissions, right? Now, this is recurring, okay? So one sale is not that much money, but $56 per month over a period of time, plus new customers coming in, that adds up over a period of time. So this is a pretty exciting affiliate program, right? As long as you're building it properly, all right? So let's talk about who this is good for and who this is not good for, right? I think that if you're already in the business, that means that you're already a marketer. Maybe you've got an email list, maybe you've got a tech blog, you've got a tech website, maybe you've got a following on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram where you're talking about entrepreneurship, building businesses, anybody that really wants to basically sell a product online, a coach, a trainer, an expert. This is a program that you can resell to them, because every coach, trainer, and expert, an entrepreneur, if they're going to sell a course, they need somewhere to house it, okay? So it's very easy for you to talk to your list or your email subscribers, or maybe you've got, again, an audience. Then you can just kind of plug this in, make 30% commissions, very easy. The only part that's difficult about this is if you're watching this and you're a complete beginner. That means you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, you don't have a following, you're not set up, you don't have an email list. Then it's a little bit more difficult, but that doesn't mean that you can't make money from affiliate marketing. It just means that you're at the start of your journey, and I'll show you how you can, take that to the next level, okay? But it's a great program. I think that, they pay out recurring, obviously they've got a lot of experience. They've been around in the marketplace for a very long time. So if you want to check out the Teachable affiliate program, just head to teachable.com/partners, all right? Now, if you're here as a beginner and this is the first time that you're on my channel, we talk about all sorts of different ways to make money online, right? I've literally reviewed hundreds of different strategies, and affiliate marketing is one of the things that I truly enjoy. Okay, I used it to quit my full-time job. I've actually made millions from affiliate marketing. There is a very specific process that you need to follow if you want to make big money from it, and I actually cover this in my step-by-step masterclass. So if you want to access that for free, just click the link right below this video. I hope you enjoyed this preview of the Teachable affiliate program. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.